everyone, in today's video we are looking at the 8th geometry paper 1, which is for 2024, and the question reads, the diagram below shows the position of town A, B and C on the 8th surface. This is the 8th surface which they are saying. Okay, we have 55° north and 75° west and 45° east and 65° south. And for this question we are told to find time at C. This is C here, from A to C. For you to find time at C, you must know the where to find the solution. Okay, we must follow this longitude, not latitude. These are latitude which are small, so we must follow this longitude. So A, it has a longitude of 75 west and 45 east. Okay, so for you to find time at C, you must add these poles, which is 75. Okay, for solution, we must find time at C. Okay, how do you find time at C? It's simple and easy. So if you want to find time at C, you must know that when you are moving from west to east, time is added. Then when you are moving from east to west, you must subtract the time. Now let's find the degrees, the difference which is here, 75 plus A. So this is A. You must add 75° west plus 45° east, which is equals to 120°. So this is the degree for this two longitude which we have for 75 west and 45 east. If we had this time, if A it was east and here C east, that means we are going to subtract the poles. Now the poles are indefinite, which is west, so we must add these poles, which is 120. So how do we find time? So we have to find time at C when at A is 11:22. So that 1 hour 15. What about X hour, which we don't know, should be equals to 120°. Okay, then here you cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply, in which you are going to have 15x, which should be equals to 120°. You divide by 15 by 15x, then 15 into 120, which is 8. So that means we have 80 hours in this the difference of two longitude. Okay, so now since we have found it is 8 hours at A, so 8 hours at C. So we must add this 8 hours with 11:22. So that means, let's create a space here. So we have found that it is 80 hours. Okay, so that means at A it is 11:22. So you can see we are asked to find time at C. We are moving from west to east, so we are going to add. If we are asked to find the time from C to A, we are supposed to subtract. Now we're going to add these 8 hours which we have found the difference of this one and this one here. Okay, so plus hours, which will be equals to 11, which is 1922 hours. So it will be 1922 hours at C, when at A it is 11:22. Okay, so now let's move on to question for number B, for B. Okay, for those who have just joined us, make sure you share this video with your friends as we are moving to another question. So a plane flies from A to B in 9 hours, and we calculate its speed if the distance between A and B is 7,200 nautical miles. Okay, so a solution, this is B. We have to find the speed. So we all know that speed it is equals to distance by time. Here distance it is 700 nautical miles, and we have this 9 hours which we have been asked here, which is 9 hours, which is speed equals 9 into 72. If you are having challenge when dividing these numbers, you all know that 81 divided by 9, it is 9. So you must subtract 81 minus 9, which should be equals to 72. So if 9 can go into 81 9 times, so that means 9 into 72 go 9 divided by 72 divided by 9, it should be 8. Okay, so 9 here, 1, 9 here, which is 8. So we are going to have 800 knots. Okay, this is the speed. It should be measured in knots. Okay, this is where we end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you receive an update. The next lesson we'll be looking at arithmetic progression in the same paper. This is 2024 paper 1. So we end here. Thank you. Bye bye.